Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tejasvi Bodjalla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. In today's video, we will understand an important topic, that is endometriosis. Endometriosis is not only causing pain, it can also affect women's fertility and overall well-being. In this video, we will mainly focus on what is endometriosis, its causes, risk factors, signs and symptoms, and its impact on infertility. I can explain this clearly on the board. Let's move on to the board. Today we are going to discuss about endometriosis. What is endometriosis? Usually endometriosis is the condition in which inner lining of the uterus called endometrium. This endometrium grows outside the uterus. Extra growth of endometrium usually occurs in sites of ovaries, fallopian tubes, urinary bladder or any pelvic structures. This we call it as endometriosis. Unlike that of inner lining of the uterus, this tissue may also respond to hormonal changes that occur in the female body. Usually during normal menstrual cycle, this shedding of inner lining of endometrium may goes off to the vagina. But in these conditions, it may be little different because there is no external pathway for the passage of these blood. This extra growth of tissue also responds to hormonal changes in the male body. This tissue grows and bleeds, but this bleeding cannot go out of the body due to there is no pathway for the outflow of this blood. There is accumulation of blood in the tissues, results in the formation of chronic inflammation. This inflammation and also swelling causes pain. This condition we call it as endometriosis. In this condition, due to continuous inflammation and pain, the patient may exhibit hormonal imbalances. Apart from these conditions, this chronic inflammation also leads to formation of pelvic adhesions. It means scar tissue formation or pelvic adhesions. These scar tissue formations can block the fertilization of egg and also improper implantation of the embryo. It can result in fertility issues. Now coming to the signs and symptoms of endometriosis condition. Usually these symptoms of endometriosis is not same in every woman because some may exhibit mild symptoms, some may exhibit severe symptoms. The first most important symptom of this endometriosis condition is dysmenorrhea. It means there is painful menstruation. This painful menstruation is mainly due to formation of these scar tissues. This can result in chronic inflammation in the pelvic region. This causes releasing of some chemicals in the body. These chemicals directly act on the body. It can cause severe pain in the menstruation time. Pain can range from 2 to 3 days before the onset of menstruation. But this pain lasts even the bleeding stops. In this pain, there may be deep radiating pain is there. Normal cramps the period time. This pain may be deep radiating to thighs and back region. Another most important symptom in this condition is chronic pelvic pain. Due to continuous inflammation in the pelvic region, it leads to continuous low pain in the lower abdominal region. And some patient may also feel there is pain during intercourse. It means the pain may be during or after the sexual intercourse. It is mainly due to of these adhesions can make the intercourse painful. Another most symptom is irregular, heavy or scanty bleeding. Some may exhibit heavy periods due to this endometriosis condition. Some may exhibit scanty or intermittent bleeding in the menstrual cycle. When this scar tissue grows in the regions like urinary bladder or in the intestines, it can cause painful urination or painful bowel movements. This painful urination and bowel movements may be felt in endometriosis condition. Another symptom is, apart from these physical pain, some patients also feel fatigue, weakness, and also low mood changes because of this hormonal imbalances. In this endometriosis condition, hormonal imbalance is also there because hormonal imbalance is also present in this endometriosis condition. Apart from these pain, the most consequence of this endometriosis is infertility, means difficulty in conceiving the baby. Why it is difficult means in this endometriosis condition there is formation of pelvic adhesions or scar tissue formation. These scar tissues can prevent the transport of egg to the prevent the meeting of egg and sperm, and if fertilization may happen, it can also prevent the movement of embryo from fallopian tube to the uterus for implantation. So it can result in difficulty in conceiving condition. So endometriosis is a hidden condition. These symptoms usually develop from years ago before diagnosis of the condition. It is important to understand this condition, and early diagnosis and proper treatment can give better results from this condition to prevent complications like infertility issues. Now coming to the causes of endometriosis condition. Usually endometriosis is a condition in which uterine lining called endometrium grows outside the uterus. In this condition, this endometrium grows in other reasons. There is no single cause for this endometriosis condition, but some theories proves why it happens. First most factor is retrograde menstruation. Usually in menstruation time, the blood from the uterine cavity goes after the vagina. During this process, some part of blood may travel through the fallopian tube and to pelvic cavity. it can result in the development of endometriosis condition. It is one of the four most accepted theory in endometriosis condition. Another most factor is genetic predisposition. Genetics play important role. If your mother or sister is suffering with endometriosis condition, you have more chance of getting this endometriosis condition. So genes play an important role. Another important one is immune system dysfunction. Our immune system fail to recognize these endometrial cells in the other parts and also fail to destroy these cells. This results in the growth of this tissue, results in painful periods. Another fact is surgical procedures. Some surgeries like C-section or hysterectomy and other pelvic procedures like dilatation curettage, all these conditions can increase the accidental accumulation of this endometrial tissue in the scar region. This can result in scar endometriosis. This is one of the severe form of endometriosis condition. Apart from this, these endometrial cells can travel along with the blood to other organs like brain or lungs. This can result in the formation of extra pelvic endometrial condition. This is one of the most complication in endometriosis. Another cause of endometriosis is hormonal imbalance. When these estrogen levels may be high in the female body, it can promote the growth of endometrial tissue. Endometriosis can be caused from retrograde menstruation or hormonal imbalance or immune dysfunction or genetic predisposition or some other surgical procedures. So there is no definite cause for this. All these factors contribute to cause endometriosis condition. This endometriosis is a silent condition. These symptoms or signs of endometriosis may be developed before the diagnosis of this condition. So some triggering factors like early menarche, it means maturing at the age of 9 or 10 years, and also heavy bleeding. This heavy bleeding and the early menarche can increase this endometriosis condition. Apart from this, some conditions like less menstrual cycle, it means a cycle period less than 47 days. Less time of menstrual time can increase the endometriosis condition, and also nulliparous condition. These can increase the endometriosis. So endometriosis is a combination of group of these contributing factors. Now coming to how endometriosis impact on our fertility. Usually endometriosis is one of the most important factor in infertility issues. During this inflammation period, there is formation of continuous hormonal imbalance. This can result in the formation of scar tissue and adhesion. These scar tissue adhesion can block the fallopian tubes. So this blockage can prevent the implantation of embryo properly. And also one of the important factor is and when this endometriosis also forms ovarian cyst, it means when this endometrial tissue accumulates in the ovaries and then bleeds, this accumulation of blood can accumulate in the ovaries. When this endometrial tissue grows in the ovaries, it can cause bleeding. When this bleeding goes into the ovaries, results in the swelling of the ovaries. We call it a cyst, ovarian cyst, also called a chocolate cyst ovary. This accumulation of endometrial fluid in the ovaries results in the production of improper eggs. Endometriosis can reduce the quality of egg, prevent the implantation successfully. It also prevent the fertilization. All these factors can affect the conceiving capacity of the woman naturally. Remember, endometrial doesn't cause permanent infertility. With proper lifestyle management, hormonal treatment, including homeopathy treatment, can improve this condition. You can regain your natural immunity. It can also helps to reduce the hormonal imbalance and to helps to conceive naturally. If you are suffering from these endometrial condition and infertility issues, Fidicus homeopathy is the best. What do you get from Fidicus homeopathy means the success of case mainly depends on three main steps. One is the treating doctor, second one is the infrastructure we have, third one is the drug device we are following. At Fidicus homeopathy, doctors are with passion, qualification, competence, compassion and knowledge. The drug device we are following is a top quality medicine. We are getting our medicine from best pharmaceutical industries and we are also best in segment. The infrastructure we are following is of latest technology and artificial intelligence. By using this latest technology and artificial intelligence, we can give better results to the patient. These are all advantages of selecting Fidicus homeopathy. Now coming to the consultation part of Fidicus homeopathy. Fidicus homeopathy provides two types of consultation. One is online consultation, other one is in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video call options are available. By using this option, you can share your reports to us. If any reports are necessary, we will let you know. You can get it back locally and send it back to us. After completing the case taken, the main part of treatment will be started. Once the treatment will be started, we will ship your medicines to your doorstep wherever you are in the world. If you are staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to consult Fidicus homeopathy by in person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation. How to consult Fidicus homeopathy? This is our WhatsApp number 7997101303. By using this number, you can call or message to us and get consultation. If you have any doubts about Fidicus homeopathy, this is our website www.fidicus.com. By using this website also you can get consultation. Why Fidicus Homeopathy only? There are so many corporate hospitals are there. So many allopathy hospitals are there. Why Fidicus only means because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. And also Fidicus Homeopathy mainly follows three main principles. One is the highest success rate, transparent treatment and personal care. Regarding this endometriosis condition infertility, Fidicus Homeopathy having highest success. We are also providing transparent treatment. Transparent treatment in the sense we can give complete information to the patient and also prognosis to the patient. We are providing personal care. Personal care means we can give each and unique treatment to every patient, and we also advise them to maintain a healthy and balanced life. If you are someone you know are struggling with this infertility condition and also endometriosis, Fidicus is the best option for your healthy and happy life. Now we discussed about what is endometriosis, its causes, risk factors, signs and symptoms, and its impact on infertility. So endometriosis is not only causing pain, it is the condition needs understanding, proper care and early treatment. If you or your loved one suffer from these endometriosis condition and infertility issues, Fidicus Homeopathy is here to help you with safe, effective and holistic approach. Thanks for watching.
Fidicus Homeopathy.